Hi, hi, I'm analytical. And if we aren't catering to everyone's needs on the web, we might as well just delete our accounts. I mean, right? If you want to cheer for web accessibility, subscribe below, like the video, and ring the bell. Let's dive in. What does accessibility mean on the web? I've added text for all of these images so we know which quote is with which images, but there are many people out there who don't have great vision. Right here. I'm one of them. But there are people with vision even worse than me, or for whatever reason, they use a screen reader. They might have their computer be reading out the web page to them. But if we have an image, they're not going to know what Monique Hart is doing in this image. An attribute we can add is called alt. This is where we can describe what's happening. This is Monique Hart and Miss Vanjie. This is something you'll want to do for every image on your website. If you're going to make an application that you want to be widely used. Sure, it might be a little bit of work if you don't have any of these alt tags already, but if someone has a vision impairment and can't see these images on the website, then they miss out on half the fun. Hopefully adding these image descriptions can help their experience. I'll add the rest of the alt tags in later so we can get to the next part. This is metadata we add to our website that makes it easier to use when you're on it. We can also add metadata information to make it easier to share it. When you go to Facebook and you share a link from an article, it pulls up a great image for it. It knows what the title is. You can set that manually to ensure it's exactly as you would like. This is only going to work if you're hosting your website on something like Firebase. And I've already created a video showing how to deploy a website to Firebase. So feel free to watch that, deploy your website, and come back if you haven't done that yet, or if you just want to follow along for now and you can see what we get. And I'm going to Google it because it requires a few tags and I don't want to have to remember them, and neither should you. I was on this before, so I know this one is good. I'll include this link below if you want to read more, and we'll just copy this, and we already are using the title, put these in our head section. We need a page description, and we could also say by Anna. And we actually need a description down here as well. I don't know why you need it twice. Kind of a pain, but definitely do put it. For the image, let's pull in probably the brown cow stunning image, because that's just such a classic Monique Hart image. We'll put the URL that we're going to use, and you get the idea. Facebook has created a debugging tool so we can see what it will look like when we share our website. And this is what it's going to look like when we share it. And Twitter also has a similar tool, so this is what Soundboard will look like when someone tweets about it. Both of these are very polished now and prime for sharing. Right now, with all this information, if you've deployed your website, you could go share this out, get tons of views and love. But before you do that, go watch my next video on how to add Google Analytics so you can know how many people have viewed your website. It is so cool to see how many people are on there at the same time, how many people are clicking different sounds. But that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!